Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Friends, summers are around the corner and I request you all to keep some water and grains if possible in your garden, balcony or terrace garden for birds. Friends, there are 3 natural nests in my front garden made by cute birds. So I thought I should make some food and water arrangements for them near to their nests. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make bird feeders the easiest way. It's a very easy DIY. So I am using this old plastic pot tray and green color plastic pot as they have sufficient depth and space. Then I made 3 holes in them using this iron rod by piercing it after heating it. Now I'll paint it with the acrylic colors to make it look vibrant. The green one I won't color as it is looking okay. And after 5 minutes, when it dried, I tied rope in the holes for hanging it. And now for decoration, I am fixing this artificial bird on it with the help of glue. I bought these birds from an exhibition around 1 year back. So this is the final look, guys. It was so easy, isn't it? And then I put some grains in one pot and water in the other one, and this is how it's looking after hanging. So friends, if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thanks for watching.